Hello, here's a tutorial to What a Wonderful World. I see trees, go ahead and move. Not big, but it's sweeping and it shakes. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them and they bloom twice. For me and you. K handshake, the thumb goes like this, and this comes forward. And then you twist it. Me and you. So this, me, and this is you. Me and you. Me and you. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Skies, B handshake. Sky, and they come out. A blue, keep the same hand shape. Clouds, 5 clouds, a white. And then shift, because they're opposites. Shift. Bright, blessed day. Dark. And then sacred is also meaning precious. Sacred night. Think to myself. Open just a little bit. Wiggle. Think here. Thinking on the heart. Thinking on the head. Think to myself. Then look up and back. What a wonderful world. Colors. 5 colors. Of the rainbow is 4. So 5 colors, and there's 2 colors of the rainbow. So pretty. In the sky, B handshake. I see them, B, see them on the faces of people, and these represent people when they're walking. People going by, and you can look at people. People going by. People going by. I see friends, 2 friends. So friends, and they both shake hands, shake. And they say hello, hello. What's up? But they're really saying, this goes really, and the heart, put your heart, since it's a sign on the heart, and then I love you. I see babies crying. Look at the baby. I see babies crying, and then they're growing. So your hands grow with them, and your eyes grow with your hands. So follow the sign. Watch them grow. See hand shape, see hand shape. They know so much more. This means knowledge, like 2 brains. 1 brain here, 1 brain here. They know so much more. And then I'm getting older. So point, they know so much more. And then I don't know much more as they do. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Now you can end it here, or you can say wonderful, sign wonderful world, and then bring it to you. This actually the sign for life. So wonderful world, the sign for life, and then precious. It's on the chin, And the hand faces this way. Precious, precious clothes. So wonderful world.